Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to import a table into SSMS using the UI. So I have a database called Olympics and I have a table here and I have many tables, three tables, but I need to import one more table. So I'm going to just right click on the Olympics database icon here and then navigate to tasks. Then you should see import flat file. The data I want to import is in the CSV file. So the next thing you do is to click on next. Then you have to show navigate to where the data is itself. Click on OK. It picks the table name. If you want to change it, you can. And then you click on next. Then you need to specify the data types here. So I'll just, to be safe, I'll just use integer here just in case it increases later on. I'm fine with the date. No, I have to change this to a date. Yes. And then make sure that every other thing is fine. So for this, okay, I'll also change this country ID to int. For the silver, gold, and bronze, they are tiny ints. I just have ones and zeros in those columns, so I'm fine with that. And then I click on next. Then I click on finish. Once I'm done, it says success. So then I close. Next thing I need to do is refresh. Then once I open tables, I should see summer games. Alright, so summer games is here. I can quickly just write out a quick query and then run this query. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new.